Hello, everyone. Are you ready to unlock your true potential? Today, we're diving deep into a transformative topic: how to improve your mindset. Whether you're facing personal challenges, striving to boost your career, or simply seeking to enhance your daily happiness, this video is packed with powerful, actionable strategies that can elevate your perspective. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive toolkit to cultivate a more positive and resilient mindset. Let's get started. To understand the power of mindset, we first need to define what it truly means. Mindset is the lens through which we interpret our experiences and the world around us. It shapes how we respond to challenges and seize opportunities. Psychologist Carol Dweck introduced us to two primary types of mindsets. Fixed mindset. This mindset holds the belief that our abilities, intelligence, and talents are static, that we're either inherently good at something or we're not. This belief can lead to a fear of failure, avoidance of challenges, and a general reluctance to step outside one's comfort zone. Individuals with a fixed mindset may feel threatened by the success of others, leading to feelings of jealousy or inadequacy. Growth mindset. In contrast, a growth mindset thrives on challenges. It sees failures not as setbacks, but as opportunities to learn and grow. Those with a growth mindset understand that their abilities can be developed through dedication, effort, and hard work. This mindset fosters resilience, a love for learning, and a willingness to embrace challenges as a natural part of the growth process. So, which mindset do you think is more conducive to success? Absolutely, it's the growth mindset. But how do we cultivate this empowering mindset in our daily lives? Let's break it down into actionable tips that you can start implementing right away. Tip number 1. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a profound practice that can significantly shift your outlook on life. It trains your brain to focus on the positive aspects of your experiences rather than dwelling on negativity. Studies have shown that practicing gratitude can lead to greater happiness, improved relationships, and even better physical health. Each morning, take a moment to write down 3 things you're grateful for. These can range from major achievements to simple pleasures, like the warmth of the sun or a delicious meal. This simple exercise can be incredibly transformative. Over time, you may find that you become more aware of the good things in your life, making it easier to navigate tough times. Consider starting a gratitude journal. Dedicate a few minutes each day to reflect on what you appreciate. Try to be specific rather than just writing. I'm grateful for my family, you might say. I'm grateful for the way my sister always knows how to make me laugh. This specificity can deepen your appreciation and strengthen your positive mindset. Tip number 2. Surround yourself with positivity. The people we surround ourselves with have a tremendous impact on our mindset and overall outlook on life. Evaluate your social circle. Are the individuals around you supportive and uplifting, or do they drain your energy with negativity? If you find that your environment is filled with toxic relationships, it may be time to make some changes. Seek out communities that inspire and motivate you. This could mean joining clubs that align with your interests, attending networking events, or even following uplifting content online. Engage with people who challenge you to be better, encourage your dreams, and support you during tough times. Remember, positivity is contagious. When you engage with people who uplift and encourage you, you naturally adopt their mindset. Seek conversations that spark joy and motivation, and watch how your outlook on life improves. You might also consider finding a mentor or coach who embodies the growth mindset and can guide you on your journey. Tip number 3. Embrace challenges. One hallmark of a growth mindset is the ability to embrace challenges rather than shy away from them. Instead of viewing difficulties as threats, consider them as opportunities for growth. When you encounter a tough situation, ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? For instance, If you're facing a challenging project at work, rather than stressing about it, break it down into manageable parts. Focus on what you can learn from the process. Each challenge you conquer builds resilience, equipping you with the confidence to approach future obstacles. Additionally, reflect on past challenges that seemed daunting at the time. Think about how you overcame them and what you learned in the process. This reflection can reinforce the belief that you have the capacity to grow and adapt, making you more willing to tackle future challenges head on. Tip number 4. Set goals and visualize success. Setting clear, achievable goals is essential for maintaining a growth mindset. Begin by identifying what you want to accomplish in both the short and long term. Write these goals down and break them into smaller, actionable steps to make the process feel more manageable. For example, if your long-term goal is to start your own business, your short-term goals might include researching your market, developing a business plan, and networking with other entrepreneurs. By breaking your goals down, you create a clear roadmap that makes your aspirations feel attainable. Once your goals are set, take time each day to visualize yourself achieving them. Picture the feelings of success and fulfillment that accompany reaching your milestones. This isn't just daydreaming. Visualization is a powerful technique used by many successful individuals. It helps keep you focused and motivated, reinforcing your belief in your ability to achieve your goals. Tip number 5. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment, and it can significantly improve your mindset. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in worries about the future or regrets about the past. Setting aside time each day for mindfulness activities, be it meditation, deep breathing exercises, or quiet walks in nature, can yield profound benefits. Research shows that mindfulness reduces stress, enhances emotional regulation, and increases resilience. By training your mind to focus on the present, you gain clarity in your thoughts and decision-making. A calm mind is more open to new ideas and perspectives, empowering you to tackle challenges with fresh insights. Consider incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine. This could be as simple as taking a few deep breaths before a meeting, savoring your meals without distractions, or spending a few minutes in meditation each morning. These small practices can accumulate, helping you develop a more mindful approach to life. Tip number 6. Cultivate self-compassion. Self-compassion is a vital component of a healthy mindset. It's essential to treat yourself with kindness during difficult times. We all make mistakes. Instead of criticizing yourself for setbacks, practice self-compassion. Ask yourself how you would treat a friend in a similar situation. Would you berate them, or would you offer support and understanding? Recognizing that everyone faces difficulties is part of being human. Embracing self-compassion fosters resilience, allowing you to bounce back stronger from setbacks. The more you practice self-kindness, the better equipped you'll be to navigate life's challenges. You can cultivate self-compassion through positive self-talk. Instead of saying, "I can't believe I messed that up," try saying, "I'm learning, and it's okay to make mistakes." This simple shift can make a significant difference in how you respond to failures. Tip number 7. Keep learning. Staying curious and committed to lifelong learning is crucial for personal growth. Whether it's reading books, taking online courses, or exploring new hobbies, continuous learning expands your knowledge and skills. The more you learn, the more adaptable and resilient you become. Embrace the idea that there's always something new to discover. Challenge yourself to step outside your comfort zone and try new things. This not only enhances your skill set, but also boosts your confidence, reinforcing the belief that you can grow and develop over time. Consider setting aside dedicated time each week for learning. This could involve reading a chapter of a book, attending a workshop, or simply watching educational videos. Engage with materials that inspire you and push you to think critically. Lifelong learning keeps your mind sharp and your spirit vibrant. Tip number 8. Reflect and adjust. Finally, it's essential to take time to reflect on your mindset and progress. Regularly assess how you're feeling and the thoughts dominating your mind. Are they positive or negative? Identify any patterns that might be holding you back, and consider how you can adjust your approach. Set aside a few minutes each week for self-reflection. Journal about your experiences, noting what worked well and what didn't. This practice keeps you accountable to your growth and allows you to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Additionally, consider seeking feedback from trusted friends or mentors. They can offer valuable insights into your strengths and areas for improvement, helping you gain a more well-rounded perspective on your growth journey. As we wrap up, remember that improving your mindset is a journey, not a destination. Each step you take leads to greater resilience, positivity, and fulfillment. Change won't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, you'll start to notice a shift in how you view the world and yourself. So, which tip will you try first? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more empowering content. Keep striving for that positive mindset, and remember, every day is a new opportunity for growth. Until next time, stay inspired.